My dear friend, you are most welcome on my channel. That is my both channels. That is Kafir International Organization and the Vijay Destination. Today we will discuss about the terrorism of Islam. What is the problem of the Muslims with the non-Muslims? Actually, Islam is a parody of criminology, parody of rapists, parody of the robbers. It is a very cruel or crucial ideology against the non-Muslim throughout the world. And there is so many topics, so many points that all the Muslims are brainwashed due to the false ideology of the Allah or false ideology was of the Prophet Muhammad, which was created by so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah. He was a abundant hero of the Gunism of the Islam. He is the abundant hero of the criminals. He is the abundant hero of the rapist. He is the abundant hero of the robbers. Because the Paigambar was so treacherous person, he committed so heinous crime throughout his life that he cannot be pardoned by any non-Muslim. And if any non-Muslim will pardon that Prophet Muhammad, certainly this will be the suicidal effect to that non-Muslim. And the cause of the fight between the non-Muslims and the Muslims only the Islamic theology. Now we would we want to reflect the fight between the Jews and the Muslims for the Al-Aqsa or the Baitul Muqaddas for the Muslims. Actually, this was the Solomon temple, and this was the greatest lie of Prophet Muhammad, that he declared that I went to meet Allah and I offer the prayer in that Baitul Muqaddas Al-Aqsa, which is now situated in Jerusalem or the Jerusalem. Actually, there was no mosque there when the Muhammad went there, and he was feeling that I offered namaz at this mosque. There was no mosque at all. This mosque was built when the third Caliph Usman occupied this Solomon temple, the temple of Jewish temple. Basically, the Al-Aqsa is belong to the Judaism. But in Islam, the robbery of any other non-Muslim is allowed, and this is known as Male Ganimat. Male Ganimat literally meaning is the robbery. And the robbery is certified in Islam, and robbery is a very holy work in the name of Allah. So you see, the lies of the Islam destructive the society, social value, and enhances the unpractical, uncivilized, barbaric method, and protecting the killing, rapes, robbery of the non-Muslims, all the illegal work which was committed by so-called Muhammad was holy under the umbrella of the Islam and under the umbrella of the fake creator which is known as the Allah by the Muhammad creation. So we can say that Jerusalem Mosque is belong to the Jews because it was Solomon temple, and it is the greatest light that Muhammad offered namaz at that mosque. There was no mosque. You see in various places of the world that all the temples, synagogues, fire temples, even the Buddha monastery and the idols of the Buddha, two idols of the Buddha was destructed by these Islamic goons. And it is amazing that the Indian government is cooperating with these Taliban goons, and no Buddhist is screaming against this ideology, that is Islam. Because in India, the Buddhist and the Islamist are under the same umbrella. The new Buddhists are so shameless people that they not even follow the doctrine of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who criticized the Islam, that Islam is not for the society, the civil society, but Islam is all for the destruction and the rape with the non-Muslim women, which was committed by Prophet Muhammad and his companions. So my dear friend, in Spain, all the churches were converted into mosque. And after when the Fernand won the battle of the Spain against the Moor, the Islam goon or king of the Islamic goonism of the Spain. So Islamic goonism, the simple method to acquire all the lands of the non-Muslims. Here the Waqf board is a symbol of the Islamic goonism in India. And all the people who are allowed to enter the Muslims in all countries, including especially the European countries or the United States of America or the Canada. Even though in the Chicago, Islamic goon Yasir al-Wazdi was staying there and preaching the goonism of the Islam. But American USA government is doing nothing because they are not known about the destruction of the Islam. They never read the Quran. And these stupid fellow of the European people, they are welcoming the Muslims. Actually, a true Muslim is a goon if he work accordingly as his prophet did. But these are very secular people throughout the world. They are waiting for the new destruction of the third war with the Islamic goonism. If third war will be occurred in next future, this will between the non-Muslims and the Muslims. And it is compulsory that Muslim will follow the Islam. Whether it is goonism, it is a crime to follow Islam, but he did not know it because he was brainwashed. Most of the Muslims are in dilemma whether they have be a good Muslim or a true Muslim or the good people or the good person. If they are good person, they cannot be a good Muslim or good Mu'min. But if they are good Muslim or good Mu'min, they cannot be a good person. There is adversary between the goonism of Islam and the civil ethics or etiquettes. A Muslim cannot be civilized until he is Muslim, purely Muslim, perfectly Muslim. Because Islam is not the ideology of the civilization. Islam is not the ideology of the reality, but Islam is the ideology of the barbaric violence, killings and rape. As just type you are living in the jungle, and this is the jungle kingdom where all the Islamic countries are running through the Islamic description that is known the Sharia. They are ruining the future of the Muslims because a Muslim could not understand the reality of the Islam. And even though all the non-Muslim could not understood the reality of the Islam. Islam is very dangerous to the society. Islam is very, very destructive in its aspects. So all the churches, temples, which are too much old, and now as a Moscow was grabbed by the Islamic goons, because the one-point program of Islam to humiliate the non-Muslims, to persecute the non-Muslims. Even these are so shameless goons of the Islam, they can rape with the Jews and the Christians. Same did committed by him, the Prophet Muhammad or his companions. And this is the way of the Islam, to occupy the land of the non-Muslims, because their perfection, their perception is that all the land of the Allah, where there no sign of the Allah. So this is the totally barbarism and goonism of the Muhammad, which was created as Allah at the head of this goonism. It seems Allah is the head of the criminals, head of the rapists, head of the killers. Though Allah is a fallacy, so the head of all these heinous crime, which is non-conceivable offense throughout the world, was committed by so-called Prophet Muhammad. And the only single prophet of the Islam, first and last, who was eager in kidnapping, rapes, killings, and robbery of the wealth of the caravans of the Jews. This is the character of the Muhammad. By this character, all goonism comes in the mind of the Muslims. In Muslim mind is that we will conquer whole the world in the help of the Allah. But this is not possible now. So my dear Europeans, you must see the Quran and the Quranic verses. I hope that all the Quran is full of the satanic verses. Satan is more good and efficient than this Prophet Muhammad, because who are not following the Islam, they are following the Satan or devilish theology according to Quran. But Satan did not commit any crime, except that he told to the Adam and Hawa, that this is the fruit of the knowledge. Means, if you can eat the fruit of knowledge and somebody told you that this is the fruit of knowledge, you are the Satan or the devil. Means Satan has knowledge, but so-called Prophet Muhammad and Allah are the stupids. They have no knowledge about the civil society, civil etiquettes. This is the real fact of the Islam. Islam is full of the goonism. If the Islam is spiritual, then why there is a need to destruct the worship places of the non-Muslims as synagogues, fire temples of the Zoroastrians, synagogues of the Jews, churches of the Christians, and the Hindu temples, Jain temples, and the Buddhist monastery. This is the history of the Islam, that Islam destroying so many temples and killing so many non-Muslims. But some stupid non-Muslims, which are filthy in the eye of the Islam, are helping these Islamic goons, and they want to a brotherhood with the Muslims. Whereas the Islam and the Quran denied that there will be no brotherhood between the Muslims and the non-Muslims, because Islam is a single aim to spread Islam by hook and crook, by sword. But this is not the days of the sword. Days of Islam has been gone, and such type of prophet who was a robber, killer, and the pedophile cannot be run in this society. So this is our duty, to compel to the Muslims to leave the Islam by logics or by force. Because if we will not enforce this ideology against the Muslims, this ideology will engulf the whole society. The women and the girls of the non-Muslims will be raped in future, because Islam allows the kidnapping of the women and the girls of the non-Muslims and rape without any their consent. This is the forcible intercourse. And Muhammad also committed such type of heinous crime. So this prophet is a certified criminal, and we cannot adopt such ideology which is known as Islam. My appeal to all the Muslims that you must be same full person, and you cannot be such type of a prophet who was a greatest liar in case of Baitul Muqaddas, that he offered the prayer or the namaz in Baitul Muqaddas, which was never built before the death of the so-called Prophet Muhammad. In the last, I would like to say we must fight against this Gunism of Islam, and my appeal to all European peoples, please compel to these Islamic goons from your countries and export these Islamic goons to their native countries. Otherwise, Islam make hell all the European countries, United States of America, and the Latin America. Islam is the name of the hell, name of the stupidity, name of the barbarism, uh, name of the group as a killers, rapists, and the robbers. In the last, I would like to say, we will fight against this Goonism of Islam at any cost in each every state, in each every state, and whether they will found the mischievous activity. If they do the mischievous activities, this is your right, the fundamental right to eliminate such type of Islamic terrorist by his own hand. Thank you very much.